Hello, this is Silvia from Welcome to Sardinia team. I'm pleased to introduce our tour operator and incoming travel agency. If you're planning to come to Sardinia for vacation or work, we are sure we can meet your needs. Here is what we have for you. Welcome to Sardinia carefully selects hotels, resorts, apartments and villas with or without swimming pool. We offer personalized transfer from and to the airports of Olbia, Alghero and Cagliari and throughout Sardinia with professional staff and guaranteed fleet of vehicles. We pay close attention to the activities we offer to our guests: boat trips, cultural excursions and food and wine tasting. More than 500 excursions are at your disposal. Renting a car is also the best way to explore Sardinia. We offer the best conditions and rates. If you plan to organize a sporting, musical, cultural or corporate event, Welcome to Sardinia will assist and offer you the best conditions for a successful event. Remember, Welcome to Sardinia services are run by professional staff with over 20 years experience in the travel industry, and all our partners have been selected after careful evaluation and strict selection. Visit our website www.welcometosardinia.info and we wait for you in Sardinia.